Rashmi Agdekar reveals her secret skincare routine for healthy-looking skin. You may have seen Rashmi Agdekar in movies and series like Andhadhan, Dev DD2, Rispri and Immature. The aforementioned are widely different from one another, but Rashmi always emerges as that cute girl next door. She does justice to everything she features in and regularly makes appearances on our Facebook and YouTube feeds. And so, we were charmed. We invited her to show us how she does her makeup every day, when she's not surrounded by a crowd of makeup and hair artists. The actress' film simple makeup routine will reinstate your faith in the fact that less is more. Rashmi Agdekar's daily makeup routine. Number 1. Moisturize. The first step is to hydrate your skin with some moisturizer. Remember to apply it in upward motion to ensure tightening of skin. This not only helps your makeup to sit well but also gives your face an instant lift, while keeping wrinkles at bay. Take your sweet time on this step for best results. Number 2. Foundation. Now, it's time to make your skin look even toned by using a foundation. Rashmi usually prefers to apply using her fingers and following the dotting, and then blending brush method. But you can feel free to simply use your hands or a beauty blender. Since this is Rashmi's everyday look, let's keep it minimal and not wear a foundation that's too heavy. Number 3. Concealer. Next up, Rashmi uses a color corrector under her eyes to hide the dark circles. She then blends it in using a damp beauty blender as wetting the sponge helps it soak less product. Following this color corrector, she goes in with a concealer that's a little brighter than her skin tone for the brightened effect. Use the same beauty blender as before to get a smooth finish. Number 4. Loose powder. Now that she has completed her base, it's time to bake it. Rashmi uses a translucent powder to set her makeup and this helps her keep it in place all day. Number 5. Blush. Next up, she uses a creamy blush. Cream-based blushes blend a lot better and the color payoff makes it look as if you really have a natural flush. But, they are a little difficult to manage if not used correctly. Rashmi Agdekar applies the blush and blends it out with her fingers only. Here are some pro tips. Don't forget to smile for the best outcome and apply the same blush to your eyelids for a flushed look. Number 6. Eyeliner. Since this is an everyday makeup look, Rashmi doesn't do anything over the top when it comes to her eyes. She applies a brown liner to her upper and lower lash line. This color helps achieve a soft, nude and natural look and makes you look perfect for the regular workday. Number 7. Eyebrows. Your eyebrows have the power to make or break your makeup look. Rashmi brushes hers using a spoolie first and then defines their shape. She then uses a brow pencil to fill in any gaps and add more definition. Number 8. Mascara. She then completes her eye makeup by applying a generous coat of mascara to her upper and lower lashes. She uses the applicator to brush through the lashes in a way that then fan out. Number 9. Lipstick. Lastly, she completes her everyday makeup look by applying some lip balm first. Rashmi then follows it up by applying a nude pink lip shade for a more natural look. Applying balm first helps your lips look more nourished and hydrated under lipstick. Nobody likes chapped lips, especially when they have to use lipstick. And that's it. Rashmi Agdekar is now ready to take on for the day. Her simple and easy to follow makeup tutorial is perfect for you to recreate as well. It can be worn for Zoom calls, casual hangout with friends or stepping out for a meal with your family or on date night. This look is so versatile and yet makes you look natural. We love it.